name is Sandhya Rimbar. Today's video topic is exception handling. So we are discuss about what is exception handling. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exceptions, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Advantages of exception handling. The core advantages of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally distributes the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle exceptions, and exception can occur of many different reasons. Following are some scenarios where an exceptions occurs. First is a users has enter invalid data. Second is the file that need to be opened cannot be found. Then third is a network connection has been lost in the middle of communication of JVM, has out of memory. Some of these exceptions are caused by users errors, uh, other uh, other by other other by other by the programmer error, and other physical resources that have failed in some manner. Then next point is the exception hierarchy. Exception hierarchy. The java.lang throwable class is the root class of the Java exception hierarchy, inherited by two subclasses. First is a exception, and second is a error. Then next is a exception. Exception are inherited by four subclasses such as IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, and runtime exception. Then next is runtime exceptions are inherited by arithmetic expression null point exceptions. Then third is a number format exception, and fourth is a index out of bound exception, and index bound exceptions are inherited array index bound, and string index bound exception. Then next is a error inherited by the stack overflow error. Then virtual machine error, and out of memory error. Then next point is a types of Java in exception handling. There are the mainly two types of exception: check and uncheck. In error is considered as a unchecked exception. However, according to Oracle, there are three types of exception. Namely, first is a check exceptions, second is a uncheck exception, and third is a error. Then next, we are discuss about in brief. First is a check exception. Check exception is classes that directly inherited the throwable class, runtime exception and error are known as check exception. For example, iOS exception, SQL exception, etc. Check exceptions are check at compile time. Then next one is a uncheck exception. Uncheck exceptions are not checked at a compile time, but they are check at a runtime. These classes that inherited runtime exception are known as uncheck exception. Then third is a error is a irrecoverable. Some example of error are out of memory error, virtual memory error, and assert assertion assertion exception error, etc. Then next point is a Java exception keywords. Java exception keywords. The Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle the exception. The following table describe each. First is a try. The try keyword is used specify a block where we should place we should place in exception code. Then catch, the catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be prefed by the try block, which means we cannot use catch block alone. It can be followed by finally block later. Then finally block is used to execute a necessary code of the program. It is execute whether an exception is handled or not. Then the throw keyword is used to throw an exception, and the last point is a last keyword is a throws. The throws keywords is used to declare exception. We specify that there are many efforts and exceptions in the method. It doesn't throw an exception. It is always used to method signature. Thank you.